coming now from the other place you said?
Yes.
How far is Suswa from here?
From here, it's 15 kilometers. From the main road.
So how long will it take to Nairobi from now? 1 hour?
No, it's here. Yes. So we have a position. At the moment there is a construction going on to mount RNG, rail mounted guns that will be used to operate in this. And outside there we have a parking. Very big one.
When you see the extension, you have a future extension.
Newly constructed way. Yes. From inside here. Up to long.
Yes.
Like, I come from Mombasa. Okay? Do you think I live here without living here?
No way. And
We have around 10, but working with ships.
So we have KPA, we have KRC, we have cabs, we have hotel, we have URC.
The train is in this side. There's a light that shows that the train is in this side. There's a green light that shows that the train is in. But there's the control system here. You have a generator and everything. It's red. It's blue now. It's blue in color. So once the train goes in, it changes color. Red. Now we assume that the gate has been closed. Have their own system. Tell them that there's a place that see railway optical cable. So there's an optical cable from here to Mombasa. To Mombasa. Yes. Wow. That's why the optical cable. It is from here to Mombasa. This thing says automatic. In fact, if you're in Mombasa, even here, they want to change the line. They're doing something.
Okay, I'm Morris Ogare, Operation Assistant, Kenya Ports Authority, Naivasha. Here in Naivasha ICD depot, when SGR brings cargo from Mombasa, we do transship the cargo from SGR wagons to MGR wagons. In the event of shifting or transshipping the cargo, it only takes us 2 to 3 minutes with our reach takers. We are so efficient that we don't want any delay for the cargo to be here. KRC, Kenya Railways Corporation, always do provide the wagons, so there is no shortage of wagons here. Maybe we can have some few delays with the clients, the clearing agents, when they have not submitted their pickup orders or pre-advice on export side. Or export, when export comes with the MGR wagons, we do transship to the SGR the same way we do of from SGR, the imports to MGR. So we don't have any delays. Delays may be when the clients have not submitted the pickup order or pre-advice. That is the only thing that can cause delay. But on the side of Kenya Ports Authority and KRC here in Naivasha, we are always ready for the work, and we are so much committed. We don't want any delay. Yes.
So in terms of cargo?
Yes. SGR from Mombasa can carry 54 wagons. 54 wagons.
How long does it take? From Mombasa to here?
10 hours.
10 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So when we compare...
SGR is always quicker than MGR. Yes, always quicker. And one train with 54 wagons of SGR, or that is 3 trains of MGR. Yes. So when we have one train of SGR, we have 3 trains of MGR. But KRC, we have resources. Even as we speak now, you can see the train behind, the wagons behind are ready, just waiting for the clearance to move. And we have some resources here and outside there. There are some resources in terms of wagons.
My name is Stanley Sendege, Managing Director, Uganda Railways Corporation. For those in Uganda, where we are now is referred to as Naivasha ICD. Naivasha ICD is a new development where the standard gauge railway all the way from Mombasa through Nairobi terminates. For now, it's terminating here, but the plan is it will connect up to Malaba. Where we are now is about 500 kilometers from the Uganda border of Malaba. So these 500 kilometers will be worked on, and we shall have the standard gauge connect to Uganda, then to Kampala. Currently, we stand between the standard gauge railway, which you see the other side, and the meter gauge where I'm standing directly. This innovation or this intervention was to ensure that we have seamless flow of cargo from Mombasa through the standard gauge to Kampala, joining the meter gauge at this particular point where we are. The purpose of doing that was to ensure that we cut the time, because the standard gauge does only 10 hours from Mombasa to here. And that used to be a number of days, a number of weeks, let me say, for the meter gauge. But now we leverage on the efficiency of the standard gauge. So we put the cargo from Mombasa to here on the standard gauge. Then we move it from the standard gauge and load it on the meter gauge. Then it proceeds to Kampala through Malaba border. It takes, from here to Malaba, will take you about 12 hours, 24? 24 hours. So 24 hours, you can see that Mombasa, here 10 hours, here Malaba, 24 hours. Then Malaba Kampala is another 10 hours. So all in all, we are doing less than 3 days, moving all the way from Mombasa to Kampala. It used to take us more than 10 days. More than 10, it's actually 15 days before this innovation, which has been operational now for maybe for the last 1 month to be very effective, has started 1 month ago. And we're seeing a very big improvement as in time of delivery, and also performance on our side, as in customers giving us cargo to move by rail. The plan of our government of East Africa has been to reduce the movement of huge cargo, of bulk cargo from the roads to the rail system, so that we can have our roads last longer, which is now what we are going to achieve when we use this system. Our appeal now is to clients that move cargo through the countries, especially the importers and exporters through Mombasa, that please, the road system is now very, very efficient. I've told you 3 days of import Mombasa to Kampala, equally 3 days Kampala, Mombasa. The charges have been brought down to very little money. They have been cut by over 50%, if we can compare with what it has been. So there's nothing really to talk about except to come and use the railway system, which is now very efficient and very economical, and really that's where we want to go. Thank you.